How to browse trending filters for Instagram Reels. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to browse trending filters on Instagram. Okay, straight into it. First, open up the Instagram app and tap the plus sign at the top. Select Reel. Now, tap the effects button above the shutter button. Ensure that trending is selected. Tap a filter to test it out. If you'd like to save a filter to your favorites to easily find later, tap the ribbon icon to save it. To view your saved filters, tap the ribbon icon in the menu bar. To see examples of reels where a filter was used, tap the stacked squares on the right. Here you can see reels that use this filter. Tap the arrow in the top left corner to go back. You can also tap Reels to see popular effects for reels or appearance to see filters that alter your appearance. To search for a specific filter, tap the search icon. Then type in the name of the filter you're looking for, or the name of the person who created the filter. Tap a filter in the results to try it out. Once you find a filter you want to use, tap the camera window at the top to use it. Then you can go ahead and record your reel as normal using the filter you've applied. If you're watching a reel and want to use the same filter as that creator, you can tap the name of the filter to try it out for yourself, then tap Use Effect. And that's all it takes to find trending filters for Instagram Reels. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.